Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the connection to each one of these ignition coils. You can see here, there's 4, because you have 4 cylinders. Now, on a healthy cylinder, as soon as I unplug this, it should affect the RPMs of the engine. So see, just like that. So that one's good, that's number 4. Number 3, pull number 3 out. Use my left hand. Well, alright, so I pulled number 3 out and no effect to the RPM, so number 3 is probably the culprit. Let's check the rest of them just in case. Okay, I'm pulling number 2 out. Just notice RPM dips. I'm pulling number 1 out. And RPM dips. So it looks like it's just number 3 that's having an issue.